Hey guys, welcome to Algorithm. It's another one. Somebody has been asking in the channel that I show how I install HTTPX because for some reason his or her HTTPX doesn't work, and he's not the only one. I've actually met some people who've told me that HTTPX sometimes after installing it tells you that the device is not a TTY or some error comes up. So on my end, if I type HTTPX and just run it, obviously it will run because I've installed it the correct way. I've seen that somebody mentioned that you only need to install HTTPX toolkit, of which that works, but I want to show you like a solution that is more favorable to all the scripts. Okay, now let's get to it. My solution will require you to download the Go language. Let me see which one I have. I want to try to Go version. So let me clear this first. So my Go version, you don't even need a dash for Go version. Mine installed is Go 1.22.5. You need to install Go for some of the scripts because most of the scripts these days are being run by are being written in the Go language. For somebody like Tom Nom Nom, he uses Go language to write all his scripts. So most of his scripts won't work unless I think even HTTPX is written in Go. That's why it's in some people they're getting some errors because they don't have the Go language. On how to install Go language, what first thing you'll do, you'll open up your browser. After opening up the browser, you'll go into this link. So I'll paste it: https go.dev. You'll go into that and download the Go version, the latest Go version. So when the website opens, since I'm using Linux, I'll go here into Linux. If I'm using Windows, you go here. So I'll go into Linux. So as you can see up here, it's already starting to download. Let me see my version. You see this is even a latest version as of today. Let me see how much it is. It's 65 MB. After downloading it, you'll go into your downloads folder. If we're less, we'll see everything I've downloaded. This is what we want to unzip, and we're going to use tar because we have a .tar file. So sudo tar, then I'll just copy this name, -c, then I'll paste that name, -xzf. Then when we unzip it, we're going to place it into the user /local, like that. Then we unzip it. So since I already have the other one, there's no need for me to install this one for now, but I'm going to install it. So after installing the Go version, what you'll need to do then next is to edit the sources list. The sources list is where most of the programs are, so you won't even need to go to GitHub to collect them. You can just type them in the chat and they will appear. So to edit the sources list, we'll use this. You'll go into sudo nano etc apt sources list, and then when you run it, it will open this. So probably yours, this first one will have a hash, so you can just remove the hash, or I'll copy this and paste it in the description below of this video. Okay, after doing those two things, now you can just, I don't know if I have dash search. Let me see if I have dash search. So I have it, but it doesn't work. So for example, let me remove dash search. So I'll do sudo apt purge dash search. Then I'll put in that. Then yes. So now if I want to install any of the scripts that I want, I'll just type httpx, and if I run it, it will ask me if I want to install it. Just press S and it will be installed. If I want to install Subfinder, Sublister, GoBuster, any of the scripts, if you just type it there, it will be installed. Subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.